Welcome to Tronify Tech, your ultimate stop for gear that makes driving smarter, safer, and way more exciting. Today, we're counting down 20 must-have car accessories that upgrade any ride from ordinary to epic. From safety boosters to sleek tech, these gadgets don't just add comfort, they redefine the way you drive. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's roll. Ever switched lanes and had that heart-stopping, "Where did that car come from" moment? This Utopicar blind spot mirror wipes that worry out for good. With its extra-wide, curved lens design, it expands your rear view like a panoramic camera, covering every blind angle. Installation: just peel and stick. It fits snug on almost any side mirror. The frameless, ultra-thin glass keeps it sleek, while anti-glare coating ensures crystal-clear vision even under harsh sunlight. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without this level of visibility. Small upgrade, massive confidence. Flat tire or dead battery in the middle of nowhere, this little beast has your back. The portable jump pack with air compressor is basically roadside rescue in your glove box. It jump-starts most cars, trucks, and even SUVs in seconds, no tow truck needed. Plus, with its built-in air compressor, you can pump up a flat tire in minutes. It also doubles as a power bank, charging your phone, tablet, or Dashcam on the go. Bright LED flashlight, digital pressure gauge, and smart safety clamps. It's the kind of gadget you pray you never need but thank yourself for owning. Compact, powerful, lifesaver. Crumbs, sand, pet hair all gone in one pass. The Fanttik Slim 8 Apex takes car cleaning to the next level with robust clean suction and whisper quiet operation. It's slim, cordless, and charges fast with USB-C. The dual nozzle setup reaches deep into seat gaps and under mats, while the washable HEPA filter traps even micro dust. And that digital display? It tells you real-time battery and suction status because smart cleaning should feel premium. Low tire pressure doesn't just waste fuel, it can ruin your tires and your day. That's where the Tymate TM7 tire pressure monitoring system steps in. It gives you real-time tire pressure and temperature updates right on your dashboard. Using solar power, no messy wires, no battery worries. Each sensor is built tough, weatherproof. Updates every 3 seconds for pinpoint accuracy. You'll get instant alerts for leaks, low pressure, or overheating long before it becomes a problem. Safer rides, better mileage, and peace of mind all from a screen smaller than your palm. Hate reversing blind into tight spots? The AUTO-VOX solar wireless backup camera makes every reverse move smooth and safe. It runs completely on solar power, so no wiring or drilling required, just mount and drive. The wide-angle lens gives you a clear HD view even at night, with low-light enhancement technology that rivals luxury cars. It auto-activates the moment you shift to reverse, showing crisp visuals right on the display. Rain, snow, or dust, it's fully weatherproof and keeps your vision clear every time. A must-have that could actually save your life. The Sodaride window breaker is a sleek, keychain-sized emergency tool designed to shatter tempered glass, instantly giving you an escape when seconds matter. It also includes a built-in seatbelt cutter with a razor-sharp hidden blade. Unlike bulky emergency tools, this one uses a spring-loaded impact tip that works with just one press, no swinging, no struggle. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's durable, lightweight, and always ready. Flat tire on the highway? Forget sweating over a manual jack. The STANDTALL electric car jack kit does all the heavy lifting for you, literally. Just plug it into your car's 12-volt socket, hit the button, and watch it lift your car in under 2 minutes. It's powerful enough for sedans, SUVs, and even light trucks, with built-in overload protection and an auto-stop system for maximum safety. It even includes an electric impact wrench, so you can swap tires like a pro. Smear-free vision, rain or shine. The BERG REGEN wiper blades feature dual-edge silicone tech that hugs your windshield tighter than standard rubber blades. Each swipe clears away rain, mud, or snow with zero chatter. Just silent, streak-free visibility. They even coat your windshield with a thin, water-repelling film every time they move, keeping it clearer for longer. Durable enough to handle heat, cold, and heavy downpours without warping. Upgrade once and you'll forget what squeaky wipers even sound like. Open your trunk right now, chaos? Fixed. The HOTOR trunk organizer turns clutter into calm in seconds. Made from 600D Oxford fabric with reinforced stitching, it's built to carry everything: tools, groceries, cables, you name it. Multiple adjustable compartments and side pockets keep things locked in place, even on bumpy roads. Anti-slip Velcro strips stop sliding, and when you don't need it, it folds flat in one move. Looks clean, feels pro, and keeps your ride organized like a showroom demo. Ever rest your arm on a scorching hot console in summer? Or a freezing one in winter? Not fun. The Stacool center console cover fixes that with cool touch neoprene padding that keeps your arm comfortable all year round. It's water-resistant, scratch-proof, and made to fit snugly without slipping no straps. The stylish leather texture adds a clean, premium look to your interior while protecting your console from wear, spills, and scratches. A small upgrade that adds comfort, style, and protection in one go. Your elbows will thank you every drive. Tired of messy charging cables tangling everywhere? Meet the Baseus retractable car charger. Compact, powerful, and ridiculously convenient. Just pull the cord to charge and it snaps back automatically when you're done. No clutter, no fuss. With 57-watt fast-charging power, it juices up your phone, tablet, and dashcam at once. Its locking mechanism keeps cables steady even on bumpy rides, and the mini design means it won't block your gear shift. Compatible with iPhone, Android, and Type-C, this one charger replaces them all. Plug in, pull out, and drive charge ready. Forget those hanging trees that fade in a week. The YWSER Smart Car Air Freshener turns your cabin into a luxury lounge. It uses smart scent diffusion to release fragrance only when the car's running, saving oil and lasting up to 60 days per refill. Choose from multiple scent capsules, Ocean Breeze, Vanilla Drift, or New Car Vibe, and swap them out in seconds. The sleek aluminum design fits any dash, while the motion and light sensors ensure it activates only when you're inside. Subtle, elegant, and endlessly fresh, your car never smelled this good. When the road ends but adventure calls, this beast steps up. The Smittybilt waterproof winch packs serious pulling power up to 10,000 pounds. So getting stuck is never the end of the story. It's built with a sealed waterproof motor that laughs at mud, rain, and snow, and a synthetic rope that's lightweight yet insanely strong. The wireless remote lets you control recovery from a safe distance, while its powerful gear system ensures smooth, steady pulls every time. Off-roading, towing, or trail rescues, this winch turns "I'm stuck" into "let's keep going." Tough gear for tougher rides. Want crystal clear proof of everything on the road? The Redtiger 4K Dashcam captures every second in ultra-high-resolution 4K front and 1080p rear. With night vision so sharp, it sees what your eyes can't. The wide 170-degree lens covers more road, while loop recording and G-sensor protection ensure your key moments are always saved. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS let you replay, download, and share footage right from your phone. Whether it's an epic road trip or an unexpected moment, this dashcam's got your back literally. Record smarter, drive safer, because clean rides shouldn't come with cords. The Redtiger cordless car vacuum delivers 21,000 Pascal of pure suction power, tackling crumbs, dust, and pet hair like it's nothing. Lightweight, ergonomic, and whisper quiet, it fits perfectly in your hand and reaches every tight space. With dual speed modes, a long-lasting battery, and a quick USB-C charge, it's built for efficiency on the go. The transparent dust cup pops out for quick cleaning, and the included nozzles handle seats, vents, and carpets with ease. Once you use it, car mess won't stand a chance again. Ever hit a bump and watch your phone do a flying trick? The ANDERY magnetic car phone holder fixes that with industrial-grade N52 magnets that lock your phone in place like glue. It uses MagSafe tech, so your phone snaps perfectly every time, no clips, no shaking. The strong suction base grips your dash or windshield with military-level hold, even through heat and rough roads. Fully adjustable, 360-degree rotation, one-hand operation because focus belongs on the road, not your phone. Once it's mounted, it stays put no matter how wild the ride gets. When every second counts, simple tools save lives. The Amazon Basics seatbelt cutter is a dual-purpose rescue device, a razor-sharp blade for cutting jammed seatbelts and a steel tip window breaker for instant escape. Its compact grip design fits perfectly in your glove box, center console, or even on your keychain. No batteries, no setup, just reliability when it matters most. Every car should have one because safety isn't optional. It's one of those accessories you buy hoping never to use, but you'll be glad it's there if you do. Fast food wrappers? Empty bottles? Meet your cleanup hero. The HOTOR Car Trash Can keeps your ride spotless with a leak-proof, waterproof liner that locks in spills and odors. Velcro straps and adjustable buckles let you mount it anywhere, seat back, floor, or console. Plus, extra mesh pockets give you bonus space for wipes, chargers, and cables. When it's full, just lift the lid and dump easy. Stylish, functional, and surprisingly big inside, it turns car mess into car order. Once you add it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Dust hiding in your vents or around buttons? Meet your oddly satisfying fix. The PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel reaches where cloths can't: vents, cup holders, gear gaps, even the logo on your steering wheel. Just press, lift, and watch it pull away dust, crumbs, and dirt like magic. It's reusable, non-sticky, and leaves zero residue behind. Perfect for those who want a spotless interior without breaking out a full cleaning kit. One jar lasts for months, and trust me, once you use it, you'll never go back to wipes again. Satisfying, simple, and seriously effective. End cable chaos with the LISEN retractable car charger, a sleek, tangle-free power station for the modern driver. Its auto-retracting cable pulls out smoothly and snaps back clean every time. With 57-watt dual-port fast charging, it powers two devices at once without losing speed. The aluminum shell stays cool under heavy use, and the smart chip protects against overcurrent or short circuits. Compact, stylish, and travel-ready, it's charging made effortless. Plug in, pull out, and power your drive the smart way. And that's your list of 20 must-have car accessories. A perfect mix of safety, comfort, and next-level convenience. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite gadget down in the comments. I love hearing what you'd add to your ride next. If you enjoyed this lineup, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next round of futuristic finds. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and keep exploring with Tronify Tech. Welcome to Tronify Tech, your ultimate stop for gear that makes driving smarter, safer, and way more exciting. Today, we're counting down 20 must-have car accessories that upgrade any ride from ordinary to epic. From safety boosters to sleek tech, these gadgets don't just add comfort, they redefine the way you drive. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's roll.